Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to automatically clean up your drawing in MicroSurvey CAD. It's always a good idea to go through this process if you've just imported a project or if a lot of work has gone into a project already. So we're going to start on the main viewport. After working on this for some time, I found that my project has become cluttered with empty layers, redundant measurements, etc. MSCAD has an automatic tool to get rid of these things. We need to first select MS Tools and move a little to the right to the Wizards box. Click on this tiny icon called Drawing Cleanup Wizard. After you save, you'll be shown a dialog box asking what exactly you want to tidy up. This includes the coordinate system, unused layers, empty text, etc. Once you've determined what sorts of things you want to clean up, click OK. The program will now take a few seconds to render the entire drawing. Once it's done, you can see a report of exactly what the program did. In this case, it purged 96 blocks and 20 layers based on the settings we had. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.